Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to create a simple API on FastAPI. Let's just understand FastAPI in the least possible way. So FastAPI is a framework built on Python to create APIs and web APIs. And why we are using FastAPI is because it is very easy to write. It gives a less amount of bug as compared to other frameworks as well. It is very fast. You can compare this framework directly with Node.js and other frameworks like Golang. And best part of it, it comes with Swagger. So debugging the APIs become very easy. So let's go to the next part, and the next part involves writing a simple fast API code. For this, we would need PyCharm and Python. Make sure you have Python 3.7 plus because I'm using the same on this tutorial. So let's create a project. PyCharm is very easy to download. You can just go on the website, download it from there. It comes with a setup process. It will guide you, just install it, and once you are there, you will have a screen like this. Create a new project, say fast API project 01, and let's say we create this project. So as soon as we create the project, there is a file called as main.py and it comes with a virtual environment. The next step is to write a requirement file. So the requirement file will actually store all my requirements like fast API and vcon. These are the only dependencies that are required for this demo. So we will write a simple fast API code, import fast API. So first we need to install it, right? Pip install -r requirements.txt, and the packages are installed. Import fast API, and there we go. Create an application named as FastAPI, and that's it. The application is created. Now if I have to write a route, I can do app.get health API. So this will create a route for me, and I have to write my functions inside it. Say get health, right? And you can return a JSON response from here saying status is server up and running. Perfect. So to run this server, we will write a code run server. This code will do nothing. It will get unicorn.run and it will use main.app, main:app. So this will indicate main file and the application inside it. So if I've written this application as sample app, so this name would become sample app, right? To run this, all I have to do is make sure Git is runnable. As soon as you run it from main file, it will directly run. And Python main.py. Okay, we need to have the sample app replaced over here as well. Perfect. And this application is running. So we don't have any API on the main part, but we have a health API which says health API